What is going on, you guys? Check out what finally came in the mail from Japan. Yep, that is my BLUETTI AC200 powerhouse of a solar generator that's going to power this whole van build. Gonna do a little bit of a different video today. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing, and then hopefully tomorrow when we get a little bit of sun, we can charge it up for the first time using solar. Got a box within a box. Looks like a nice dust cover. Three-year warranty. Instruction manual. We got our power brick for charging this thing from a wall outlet. Right here. Let's see what we got. MC4 cables. This is what we're going to use to connect to the solar panels up top. We have our wall outlet. Looks like the cigarette lighter port for when we do the when we charge via the car, and then our aviation plug to plug into our BLUETTI fuse box so we can power all of our appliances and 12-volt components. Let's put these guys back in here. I like that they gave you a little case to carry all this stuff. It's kind of nice. Alright. Oh boy, this is heavy. Okay. This guy down. Turn her on. There's a little marking right here. Looks like it's coming off though. I don't know if you guys can see that. Current battery percentage is at 55. Already set to 120 volt, 60 hertz for the United States. DC input source PV for photovoltaic. Eco mode, let's turn that off. Alright, looks like we gotta adjust all this later on. Awesome. DC output, this is where we plug into our aviation plug to the BLUETTI fuse block. Cigarette lighter. This is our power delivery. USB-C with power delivery, standard use USB ports, 4 of them, and then AC outlets, 6 of them. I like the little dust covers that they got for when you take this thing out outside of the van. 2 carrying handles and 2 wireless charging pads. Awesome. Alright, let's get this thing plugged in and get its first charge going. Alright, there we are. Male end, female end. Like, go plug it up on the roof, and then we'll plug it into the BLUETTI. Alright, so I actually took this thing home, tested it out, made sure all the plugs were working, and charged it up to 100%, used the microwave and everything like that. So everything works as it should. You can see here, excuse the mess, I've already wired up the connectors, or installed the connectors on the BougeRV photovoltaic cables, and just what's left to do is just plug in the BLUETTI supplied MC4 connectors and plug it in, and let's see if we can get some good charge out of this. It's fairly sunny right now. Let's see how much we can get out of our 300 watt panel up top. Right now it is a little bit cloudy, so you can see we're actually producing 115, 111, 115 from the solar panels on a slightly cloudy day. So, and it's about 2 p.m. so the sun's not at the best angle, but at maximum efficiency we should be getting closer to 250, 300. Alright you guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video. The main reason why I wanted to go with an all-in-one system just like the AC200 here is basically for safety. Number one, safety. The other reason is convenience. I'm not planning to spend full time living in a van, so I needed something that would do the job and allow me to power up multiple devices simultaneously, and also allow me to charge it via solar. I'm going to be wiring this up with a 500 watt inverter to the Ford CCP connection to the battery, so I can charge this thing while I drive. But overall, super happy, and I have the peace of mind that I'll have a power system that is safe when I'm sleeping, or if I'm going on a hike, multi-day trip. I can leave this thing alone and not have to worry about potentially setting my van on fire or anything like that. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll update you guys more on a designated electrical setup video, and I'll show you guys all the layout, the wiring diagrams, and all the components I plan to use. Thanks.